I have bought a knitting machine. I came across it online. It's a Passap Duomatic 80 knitting machine. The seller said it has been in the box for many years and it's brand new. So I'm very excited. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. This should be the frame on which the machine stands, and this should be the machine itself. Let's start with the machine. Oh wow! It does look brand new. This is just so exciting. Okay, first let's assemble the frame so I can put the machine onto the frame. Okay, well, that shouldn't be too difficult. We have 4 legs. In this direction. And we have 4 knobs. So let's place the stand on the floor. Okay, so this is how the machine should be assembled. Well, let's do it. This looks like the back lock. The front. Connected. The yarn mast rod, the tension springs, the yarn separators, the tension mast, the yarn baskets, and this is the 2-color changer. And we have two yarn eyelets. I'm not sure what it's called in English. In my Dutch manual it's called een wolneusje, but it's Dutch. So if you know how it's called in English, please let me know in the comments below. The black pushers for single bed knitting. The orange pushers for double bed knitting. It's still the original Bellodor oil. I'm not really sure if this withstood the test of time. Oh wow! It's in plastic, never been opened. This is just so cool. It almost feels wrong to cut it open, but I'm going to do it anyway because I want to use and enjoy my machine. Here we go. So what's in here? The brush for oiling, a transfer tool, another one, another transfer tool, spare pushers. I don't know what this is for, a piece of paper, the selection comb, you use these for transferring stitches when making socks, very handy, spare needles, a transfer needle and another pusher. I'm really happy I found this machine. I was very lucky because it looks brand new. And I also found the serial number, and the last two digits of the serial number are 85, which means this machine was made in 1985, which makes it practically 40 years old. So it has been in the box, in storage somewhere for 40 years. I'm really happy. And I can't wait to get knitting on this machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. I wish you happy knitting and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!